Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, if I told you that you could learn English in just 10 minutes, would you believe me? No, right? It seems to be impossible. You must be thinking that learning speaking English, that too in just 10 minutes, it is impossible. It is beyond the world. So guys, to some extent you are right. But with right practice or with consistency, if you do this regularly, 10 minutes in a day, then it can definitely become possible. So guys, let me tell you how you can learn English in just 10 minutes with everyday practice. So the first thing is that in today's video I'm gonna tell you about three very helpful steps through which you can learn English little bit fast. Okay, so the first step is, guys, so sorry no before this first step I want to tell you something, that you need to take a story or anything that interests you. It could be podcast, it could be what cartoons, okay, or it could be any movie or anything, okay, but make sure that you are not supposed to take a very lengthy video. Okay, just 1 or 2 minutes of video are enough. Okay, and then after that, what you have to do now, your first step begins. In first step, you have to just listen to that video twice, and after that, in the second step, okay, what you need to do is you have to read it out loud, not once, not twice, but thrice. Yes, thrice. Okay, but make sure that you should read it out loud. Okay, like this. If I want to say that I woke up early in the morning, I woke up early in the morning today, I woke up early in the morning today, like this, not in your mind. Okay, your mouth should be open. Okay, then in the third step, you have to try that in the second step, you have to try to remember all those sentences. Okay, then in the last step, you have to try to speak it out. Okay, with your by yourself, like without looking at that notes, or maybe if you have in your mobile phone, then you don't have to look them, but you have to speak by yourself. Whatever there is in your mind, you just try to recall and speak. In this way, it is not gonna take, guys, more than 10 minutes. If you keep practicing like this, if you follow this these steps, then it is definitely gonna help you a lot. I'm not saying that you will become pro in just 2 or 3 days. No, it will take some time, but yeah, I can definitely say that it will take you one step closer to your fluency. Just because what happens, see, whenever we learn English, we do everything except speaking, and the English speaking itself says that English is speaking. Here we are learning this language for speaking, not for writing. Okay, so it is similar. If you want to learn some skill, okay, you have to do that skill. If we take an example of swimming, no matter how much video you watch about swimming, no matter how much you talk about someone with someone else about swimming, it is not gonna help you until or unless you jump into the water and you try to swim. The English is just like swimming. It is one of the skills, guys. that others. Okay, to speak English, you have to speak, you have to open your mouth, because you are not gonna speak, you cannot become fluent until you open your mouth. So just, I'm not saying you to speak perfect. Nobody is gonna speak perfect initially, but with practice. If you stay consistent, you will definitely speak like a pro after some time. So this is all about, guys, and the main mantra is to speak. No matter how much knowledge you gather from all the internet or books or from anywhere, no matter how much strong knowledge you have about grammar, phrases, idioms, it is not gonna help when it comes to speaking. So for English speaking, you have to speak, so that when you speak, initially you will get stuck. It is obvious that initially you are gonna stuck, but after some time if you keep practicing, so then this problem is will disappear. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.